When people hear about carnivorous plants, they usually think of tiny insects disappearing into strange green traps. But there's one plant with a reputation so wild it sounds like a myth: the pitcher plant that can catch rats. Pitcher plants are not one single species, but a group of plants that evolved a clever and deadly strategy. Their leaves form deep, tube-like chambers filled with digestive fluid. Insects are lured in by color, scent, nectar, and slippery walls. Then they fall into the pitcher and cannot escape. Over time, the plant breaks them down and absorbs nutrients, especially nitrogen, from their bodies. Most pitcher plants are small enough to track ants, flies, and beetles, but some of the largest species, like Nepenthes raja, can grow pitchers so huge that they have been known to trap small animals. These giants can hold liters of fluid and have a wide opening that may look almost like a natural cup. In the forests where they grow, curious rats may come to drink nectar or search for food, and if they lose their footing, the pitcher can become a deadly pit. That is how the legend of the rat-eating plant began. It is not a plant that hunts rats the way a snake or a cat would. Instead, it uses the same ancient trick it uses on insects: lure, slip, trap, and digest. In rare cases, a rat can end up inside, but this is not the plant's main diet. For a pitcher plant, rats are an accident, not the usual meal. What makes these plants so fascinating is the environment they live in. Many pitcher plants grow in poor soil where essential nutrients are hard to find. By turning to carnivory, they survive where other plants struggle. They are living proof that evolution can produce astonishing solutions when conditions are harsh enough. So the next time you hear about a plant that eats rats, remember the truth is even more interesting. It is not a monster from a horror story. It is a remarkable survival machine, a plant that turned its leaves into traps and mastered one of nature's most unusual ways of feeding.